Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing two essentials: your iPhone or Apple Watch and a supported card. Open Wallet, tap Plus, add your transit or bank card, follow verification prompts. Once done, make sure you set Express Transit or default transit card so you don't need Face ID each trip. You should also check battery and that iOS/Watch OS is up to date, because a dead device or outdated software will prevent tapping at turnstiles. Next, configure Express Transit and confirm linking so taps register instantly. On iPhone, go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, select Express Transit and pick the card you added. Do the same in the Watch app for Apple Watch. Once done, check the card's balance and any daily limits, and preload funds if your MRT requires stored value. Make sure your device is unlocked when initially adding the card, and allow any app permissions requested. When you ride, tap your iPhone or Apple Watch flat on the reader near the gate logo. Hold it there until you hear the beep or see the green light. Exit by tapping again at the outbound reader. If you see a decline or no transaction, open Wallet to view recent activity, then retry. If problems persist, restart your device, remove and re-add the card, or speak to station staff. Sometimes switching to manual payment or staff override resolves card or.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.